So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a rainy day mobile. So I'm gonna tell you what materials you need for this rainy day mobile. So you need a cereal box, some yarn, some tape, and a marker, and an empty tissue tin, and a hammer, and some brushes, and a scissor, and some blue and white paint. So let's start. So first, you will need a silver box and a scissor. So be careful with the scissor because you might cut your hand. You have to cut the side of the cereal box. So yeah. Next, you need to get your hammer and put it here, lay it down, and you have to trace a cloud over it like this. So next you need a scissor to cut the cloud. Cut the cloud, and you will have a cardboard cloud. And now I am done cutting my cloud shape. Now you need an empty tissue film. So now go to a random side and squeeze until just a little minute. You will have this raindrop, this shaped raindrop, and now you need a scissor, and you have to cut it. So next you have to paint this. You have to paint the cloud white. So you need blue paint for the next one. So you need your cut raindrops, and now you need blue paint. So next you need any yarn, but I recommend you to use a white one because it's amazing. So let's start a yarn. Let's start this yarn. you have to flip it where the paint is not there. It will be like that. It will be in the outside one. So now place or lay your hammer on your cloud. So now you need to get super thing. You need tape, super tape to do it. Okay, so next you need your cut yarn. So you need your cut yarns. So you have to put it under. You have to be a little careful, or else your super tape will not be on. Or your honey. Okay, guys. So the last part. You have to get this, and you have to get a pencil and make that hook right there. So now you have to get your rope, your yarn, or just a rope. So now you have to put it in there. Just get a pencil and squash it in. So this might be all. Okay, so we are done at our rainy day mobile. So this is what I see in the back. This is how it is done. This is tied, and inside is and the inside of it there's a rope. It has a pointy thing, so it can, So thank you for watching today's video, and I hope that you will enjoy. Thank you. Bye.